Instead of cutting off from there, cut off from this side. That way it looks natural. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. Thank you so much guys for your support. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix half lashes the right way, guys. I'm going to show you an updated way to fix your half lashes and looking like this. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. And if you do learn and enjoy this tutorial, please guys subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. So the first step is to get a lashes, and I'm going to go ahead to use this light lashes here. I'm going to take this off. First thing to do is, before fixing any lashes, is to go ahead and measure it against your own natural lashes, or basically just eyeball where you want it to start from. So I want it to start from somewhere around here. So if I place these lashes, let's presume this lashes has a lash glue on it. So if I start from somewhere around here, I will need to cut off this much. So instead of cutting from the inside, the regular way of fixing half lashes, you cut off from the inner part, that's the shorter part of the lashes. Instead of cutting off from there, cut off from this side. That way it looks natural. So this is what we have, guys, and this is the part we cut off. So what I'm going to do now is to place the one I cut off, place it on top of the half lashes to make the outer part of it a lot more fuller, like so. Can you see, guys? I hope you guys can see this. So can you see how this is looking full? So I'm going to go ahead and use this lash glue. This is from Classic. I'm going to add a good amount of that lash glue at the outer part of the lashes and at the inner part, that's the edges of the lashes, and I will run the lash glue on the lash band. See, I'm putting a good amount of that lash adhesive at the corners of the lashes, like so. So I'll place that down so it air dries. Then after that, I'm going to go to where I'm going to place the lashes and add extra lash glue on top of that side. So don't be bothered if it gets to all your lashes. Once you are taking it off, you can always use oil or Vaseline. So this is about, just try to clean it off once you're applying, as you're applying it. So that is what we are going to be doing, guys, and you give these lashes a little bit of time to get tacky so it can stick really well. So guys, we're going to give these lashes a bit of time to stick well, and we're going to be right back. We're placing the lashes halfway. Now we retained the shape of the lashes by not cutting the beginning part of the lashes like we normally do. We cut at the outer part we cut out from the outer part, we placed it on top of the lashes to give it more volume at the outer part. So we are going to place this here while looking at what we already did. So I place that like so, and I'm going to, wow, it's going to stick like nobody's business. And the inner part, guys, see, as simple as ABC, guys. So let me explain to you what this inner part did. Is giving, just use your hand to fluff it around so it doesn't look like, use your hands to fluff it around. So what this inner part is giving it, because the inner part is short, guys, so it's going to give that natural, from short lashes, lash hair, to like really, volume outer part. So that is what this is giving, and this complements this eye, especially when you are looking at doing really winged and lifted outer part of the eyes. This is really beautiful. Then in order to make it more like, the lashes is from the inner part, what we are going to be doing is to use a mascara. So I'm using this mascara from Debbie Loster. So I'm not going to be applying this on the lashes. I'm going to be applying it on my own natural lashes. Applying on my natural lashes will make it look like the lashes start from the inner part. I mean, why we know all know that lashes start from so this is it, guys. Then after that, you can go ahead and use your lash foiler, or you can use your tweezers to pinch your lashes and the false eyelashes together. This is just to make it look as natural as possible. These lashes can be, you know, a little bit difficult to take off because of the double application of the lash glue. So what you need to do is basically put oil on it and leave it to soak in that oil. Leave that oil to soak in the lashes, the lash band, and after some minute, after maybe 1 minute or maybe like maybe 40 seconds, then you can then take it off. This is it, guys. This is how to fix half lashes the right way, and also how to stop your lashes from sticking out from the corners. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Bye, guys.